Diabetes is a global epidemic. Millions struggle to manage their blood sugar. Many rely on medications to stay healthy. In addition to medication, many people turn to vitamins and supplements. They hope to improve their overall well-being. However, what many don't realize is that mixing certain vitamins with diabetes medications can be dangerous. This isn't about fear-mongering. It's about empowering you with knowledge that could protect your health. In this video, we'll uncover the riskiest vitamin medication combinations for diabetics. We'll explore the science behind these interactions, and we'll provide practical advice to keep you safe. Remember, managing diabetes is a balancing act. Staying informed is crucial for your well-being. Let's dive in and equip you with the information you need. Vitamins are essential nutrients. We need them in small amounts for our bodies to function properly. But when it comes to diabetes management, not all vitamins are created equal. Some vitamins can interact with common diabetes medications. These interactions can either reduce the effectiveness of your medication or they can amplify their effects, leading to potential harm. It's crucial to understand that even over-the-counter vitamins can have potent effects, especially when combined with prescription drugs. That's why it's crucial to have open and honest conversations with your doctor. Discuss all medications and supplements you're taking. Don't hesitate to ask questions. Your health depends on it. B vitamins are essential for energy production and nerve function. They're often found in fortified foods and supplements. Many people with diabetes take B vitamins hoping to improve nerve health. This is especially true for those experiencing diabetic neuropathy. However, certain B vitamins like niacin, B3, can interact with diabetes medications. Niacin can lower blood sugar levels on its own. When combined with medications like sulfonylurias, it can lead to dangerously low blood sugar, hypoglycemia. Hypoglycemia can cause dizziness, confusion, and even loss of consciousness. It's crucial to be aware of this interaction. Talk to your doctor before taking any B vitamin supplements, especially if you're on diabetes medications. Vitamin D plays a vital role in calcium absorption and bone health. Many people, including those with diabetes, are often deficient in vitamin D. This has led to an increase in vitamin D supplementation. While vitamin D is generally safe, high doses can interfere with certain diabetes medications. For example, high doses of vitamin D can increase calcium levels in the blood. This can amplify the effects of some diabetic medications, like thiazolidinediones. This can lead to hypercalcemia, a condition characterized by elevated calcium levels. Hypercalcemia can cause nausea, vomiting, constipation, and in severe cases, even heart problems. It's essential to get your vitamin D levels checked regularly. Consult your doctor to determine the appropriate dosage for you. Section 3. Vitamin E antioxidant or antagonist. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant. It protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. Some studies suggest that vitamin E might offer benefits for people with diabetes. It might improve insulin sensitivity and reduce oxidative stress. However, high doses of vitamin E can have unintended consequences. One concern is its potential interaction with blood-thinning medications. Vitamin E also has blood-thinning properties. Taking high doses along with blood thinners can increase the risk of bleeding. If you're taking blood thinners like warfarin, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before taking vitamin E supplements. They can help you determine a safe dosage or explore alternative antioxidants. Section 1. The case of John and vitamin B3. John, a 58-year-old man with type 2 diabetes, had been taking metformin to manage his blood sugar levels. Concerned about his nerve health, he started taking a high-dose niacin, or vitamin B3 supplement he'd heard about from a friend. John wasn't aware that niacin could also lower blood sugar. He didn't think to mention the supplement to his doctor. After a few weeks, John started experiencing episodes of dizziness, confusion, and sweating, especially after meals. One morning, John fainted while preparing breakfast. His wife, alarmed, rushed him to the emergency room. Tests revealed that John's blood sugar had plummeted to a dangerously low level. The doctor inquired about any recent changes in his medication or supplement intake. That's when John mentioned his niacin regimen. The doctor explained that the combination of niacin and metformin had caused severe hypoglycemia. John was treated and stabilized, but the experience left him shaken. he realized the importance of consulting his doctor before adding any new supplements to his routine. Section 2. Mary's struggle with vitamin D and hypercalcemia. Mary, a 62-year-old woman with type 2 diabetes, was diligent about her health. She took her medications, exercised regularly, and maintained a balanced diet. Knowing the importance of vitamin D, especially for bone health, she started taking a high-dose vitamin D supplement on the advice of a friend. Mary had been taking a thiazolidinedione medication to manage her blood sugar. Like many people, she didn't realize that vitamin D could interact with certain medications. After a few months of taking high-dose vitamin D, Mary began experiencing troubling symptoms. She felt nauseous, frequently vomited, and struggled with constipation. Initially, she dismissed these symptoms as a stomach bug. However, when she started feeling weak and experiencing heart palpitations, she knew something was seriously wrong. A visit to the doctor revealed that Mary had developed hypercalcemia. Her blood calcium levels were alarmingly high. After reviewing her medical history and supplement use, the doctor determined that Mary's high vitamin D intake, coupled with her thiazolidinedione medication, had caused the hypercalcemia. In our third section, we explore a cautionary tale involving Robert, a 70-year-old man with type 2 diabetes and a history of heart disease. Robert was prescribed warfarin, a blood thinner, to prevent blood clots. Concerned about his overall health, he was also taking a high-dose vitamin E supplement, believing it would offer additional antioxidant protection. Unfortunately, Robert wasn't aware that vitamin E could also thin the blood. One day he noticed blood in his urine and immediately contacted his doctor, who advised him to go to the emergency room. At the hospital, tests revealed that Robert had developed internal bleeding. The combination of warfarin and high-dose vitamin E had significantly increased his bleeding risk. Robert's case highlights the importance of understanding the potential interactions between vitamins and blood-thinning medications. Even seemingly harmless vitamins like vitamin E can have potent effects when combined with certain drugs. Moving on to our first section on navigating vitamin use with diabetes. We've seen how certain vitamin medication combinations can spell trouble for diabetics, but this doesn't mean all vitamins are off limits. It's all about making informed choices and prioritizing your safety. First and foremost, always consult your doctor before starting any new vitamins or supplements. This is non-negotiable, even for over-the-counter vitamins. Remember, what works for one person might not work for another. Your doctor can assess your individual needs, considering your medical history and current medications. They can guide you on safe dosages and potential interactions. Don't rely on self-diagnosis or advice from friends or the internet. Your health deserves personalized attention. Secondly, if you experience any unusual symptoms after starting a new vitamin or supplement, contact your doctor immediately. Early detection is crucial for preventing serious complications. In our second section, we focus on your doctor as your partner in diabetes management. Managing diabetes is a team effort, and your doctor is your most valuable teammate. They can help you navigate the complexities of medication interactions and ensure your safety. Be open and honest with your doctor about all medications you're taking, including prescription drugs, over-the-counter remedies, and herbal supplements. Don't hesitate to ask questions about potential interactions or side effects. Remember, there's no such thing as a silly question when it comes to your health. Regular checkups are crucial for monitoring your blood sugar levels, adjusting medications as needed, and addressing any concerns you might have. Diabetes management is an ongoing journey, and your doctor is there to support you every step of the way. Section 3. Safe medication practices for diabetics. In addition to being cautious with vitamins, it's essential to adopt safe medication practices overall. Always follow your doctor's instructions regarding medication dosages and timing. Never adjust your medication dosage without consulting your doctor, even if you feel better or your blood sugar levels seem stable. Store your medications properly, away from heat, moisture, and direct sunlight to maintain their effectiveness. Dispose of expired medications safely according to your pharmacist's instructions. Keep a list of all your medications and allergies, and share this information with all your healthcare providers to ensure coordinated care. By adopting these safe medication practices, you can minimize the risk of interactions and complications. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to managing your diabetes effectively and safely. Section 1. Debunking myths, vitamins and diabetes. Myths and misconceptions about vitamin use in diabetes are widespread. It's easy to fall prey to misinformation, especially with the abundance of online health advice. One common myth is that if a little of a vitamin is good, then more must be better. This couldn't be further from the truth, especially when it comes to diabetes. As we've discussed, high doses of certain vitamins can have detrimental effects and interact dangerously with common diabetes medications. Another myth is that vitamins are harmless because they're natural. While vitamins are essential nutrients, they can have potent effects on the body, especially when combined with medications. Natural doesn't always equal safe, and it's crucial to treat vitamins with the same caution as you would any other medication. Section 2. The allure of natural remedies. The internet is awash with claims about natural remedies for diabetes. While some natural remedies might offer health benefits, it's essential to approach them with a healthy dose of skepticism. Many of these claims lack scientific evidence and can be misleading, even dangerous. For example, some websites promote herbal supplements as miracle cures for diabetes, claiming they can replace traditional medications. These claims are not only unsubstantiated but potentially harmful. Suddenly, stopping prescribed medications and relying solely on unproven remedies can lead to dangerous fluctuations in blood sugar levels and serious health complications. It's crucial to remember that diabetes management is a complex process that requires personalized medical attention. Section 3. Personalized approach, the cornerstone of diabetes care. Diabetes affects individuals differently, and there's no one-size-fits-all approach to vitamin use or overall management. What works for one person might not work for another, and self-treating can be risky. That's why a personalized approach guided by your doctor is paramount. Your doctor can assess your individual needs considering your medical history, lifestyle, and current medications. They can determine which vitamins, if any, are appropriate for you and recommend safe dosages. They can also monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed to ensure your safety and well-being. Remember, your doctor is your partner in diabetes management. Don't hesitate to discuss any concerns you might have about vitamins, medications, or any aspect of your health. Throughout this video, we've explored the often overlooked intersection of vitamins and diabetic medications. We've learned that while vitamins are essential nutrients, they're not without risks, especially for individuals managing diabetes. The cases of John, Mary, and Robert highlighted the very real dangers of vitamin medication interactions. These cases underscore the importance of open communication with your healthcare provider. Discussing all medications and supplements you're taking is crucial, even those that seem harmless. Remember, even over-the-counter vitamins can have potent effects when combined with prescription medications. Never underestimate the importance of seeking personalized medical advice. Your health is unique, and your diabetes management plan should reflect that. Managing diabetes effectively requires a collaborative effort between you and your healthcare provider. View your doctor as your partner in health, not just a medical professional you see occasionally. Don't hesitate to ask questions, seek clarification, and express any concerns you might have. Your doctor is there to guide you, provide support, and empower you to make informed decisions about your health. Remember, you are your own best advocate. The more you know about diabetes, the better equipped you'll be to manage your condition effectively and live a healthy, fulfilling life. In today's digital age, we're bombarded with health information from various sources, making it challenging to discern fact from fiction. When it comes to your health, rely on credible sources of information such as reputable medical websites, healthcare professionals, and evidence-based research. Don't fall prey to miracle cures or unsubstantiated claims, especially when it comes to managing a complex condition like diabetes. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about diabetes, its potential complications, and the importance of safe medication practices, the better prepared you'll be to take control of your health. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the riskiest vitamin medication mixes for diabetics. For more actionable health insights, tips for managing your diabetes effectively, and the latest updates in diabetes care, be sure to follow us on all social media platforms and YouTube at Diabetes Daily Dose. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel for more informative content, and leave a comment below sharing your thoughts or any questions you might have. Together, let's create a community where knowledge empowers us to live healthier, happier lives. Remember, your health is your wealth, and we're here to support you on your journey.